We're speaking with Rob McEwen, CEO of McEwen Mining, about his goals for 2017. Also, he's just been inducted into the Mining Hall of Fame. We'll get his thoughts on that. Rob joins us on the show now. Welcome back to our Outlook series, Rob.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Merry Christmas to you as well, Rob. Now, 2016 was a good year for you. Let's go over some milestones here. Your stock went above $1 last January. You're ending the year positive free cash flow, no debt, and over $70 million in the treasury. So set up pretty well here for 2017.
Yahoo. Yes, we're set up very well. We haven't sold any streams, we haven't sold any royalties, and we haven't taken on any debt.
So what's next? What are your plans for the new year, Rob?
We're waiting, pushing our permitting through on Gold Bar. We expect to get that in the third quarter and start construction right after that, and it'll take about a year. So at the end of 2018, we'll be starting production in Gold Bar. So that's in Nevada. In Mexico, we're working on our exploration there and extending the life of El Gallo Gold. We've been reworking our silver project in Mexico and hope to have new numbers out for that. We've really altered its composition, but we're hoping to get the price of silver required to get a 20% internal rate of return down closer to current market. Our copper project in Argentina has got a lot of interest, and we're pushing it towards a pre-feasibility, which will take about 2 years to get to.
And copper, what a hot topic these days. Now, getting back to the gold price here, obviously the start of the year was great for the metal. It's come under pressure here. So what happens if gold were to fall below 1,100 here, Rob? How do you prepare for that?
Well, our Gold Bar project, the feasibility was done at 1,150. So at 1,150, it was generating better than a 20% internal rate of return and a payback of less than 3 years. So that's a good project. Mexico has been a low-cost operation for us, and it's probably be a bit lower because of the lower peso as well. And in Argentina, we're running around $800 cash cost. So it's a high-grade mine. It's burdened by some of the higher costs in Argentina, but it's still a contributor, even at $1,100.
Well, lots of headwinds for gold here. We now have, a rising interest rate environment, still a very strong dollar, a rallying stock market. What do you make of the scenario here? How do you stay positive?
It's certainly been a dramatic change. When you think the market generally viewed that Donald Trump had a very low probability of success, that was a really big surprise. He's going to be able to implement policies, and I think a lot of countries are going to have to step up their game, because he's talking dropping the taxes, simplifying the regulations, speeding up the approvals for capital investments, all very positive from a business environment, from an employment environment. It's lifted the dollar. So at least in America, it looks like gold is going to be watching the first 100 days of his term. But I think in other countries, gold's going up, because their currencies have been going down. So we might get this situation where it's more expensive to produce in America an ounce of gold than it is elsewhere in the world, and the profitability will be still there. I also believe that there's the market's somewhat cavalier about risk right now, and everybody's rushing into the stock market.
Definitely things to watch. And really, the other surprise, Rob, is that most thought Trump would have been price positive for gold. So interesting times.
Yes, very.
And before I let you go, I know you have to run. Congratulations on making it into the Mining Hall of Fame.
Oh, that's very exciting. Thank you very much. That's a very proud moment. I'm looking forward to early January when we have the dinner on the 12th.
Well, best of luck, Rob. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Have a great Christmas and a very prosperous, healthy, and happy New Year.
Thank you, Rob. And thank you for watching. We'll have more experts on our Outlook series, so be sure to stay tuned to Kitco.com. Thanks for watching.